You can get quite creative with Instagram stories by incorporating various elements such as photos, stickers, and background colors into your Instagram story feed. In this video, we'll show you how to change the background color of your Instagram stories. And stay tuned for a bonus tip on how to find and use Instagram filters. On mobile, open Instagram and access the camera by either tapping your story at the top of the app or swiping in from the left. Capture a photo using the camera or select an image from your gallery. Then tap the three-dot button in the upper right corner and choose the Draw option. Pick the desired background color from the color picker bar located at the bottom. Next, touch and hold anywhere on the photo to fill the entire space with the selected color. Exit the drawing mode by tapping the Done button in the top right corner, and you'll now have a background with a different color that can serve as a backdrop for images, videos, and more. And as a token of appreciation for sticking with us until the end, here's a bonus tip on finding and using Instagram filters. To locate and use Instagram filters, open the camera in the app, then swipe left across the icons at the bottom of the screen to explore popular filters. To browse more options, tap the magnifying glass icon at the end of the row. That's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, explore our complete playlist of tutorials about Instagram.